Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra review. Is it the best flagship smartphone of 2026? So the Galaxy S25 Ultra is Samsung's top-tier flagship smartphone for the 2025 and 2026 cycle. So let's talk about its pros and cons. It offers top-tier performance. It has an excellent display, a very capable camera, a long-term software support, and a premium build feature where high-end materials, excellent finishing, cutting-edge hardware, and even give it a flagship feel because of its chamber CPU and GPU enhancements. And it also has a strong camera hardware plus advanced software which is good for photos and video creators that often need. So let's talk about its cons though. It offers a high price, so although it has good features, it can also get expensive. It also has incremental upgrade for recent flagships. The S Pen features are greatly reduced for the newer versions, and there are a large size, so although the display is great for creators, it may be hard to use it with one hand, and some camera improvements are very modest compared to older versions. So it's best for students and content creators who works with YouTube and graphics and tutorials, but it is not affordable. So if you're on a budget, I don't recommend this smartphone. And it's very likely one of the best smartphone of 2026, but it can get expensive. So if you want to invest on the long term, you might be able to use it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.